Well, Maryland's already tight gun laws are about to get even tighter. Starting Monday, families and police can ask the courts to take guns away from people flagged as dangerous. Now, it aims to prevent gun violence like the attack at the Rite Aid Distribution Center last week. Kimberly Eaton has the new developments.
The law goes on the books a week and a half after the mass attack here, and it could be a complicated law to enforce, but police hope it will also be a tool to end violence. The state of Maryland is bringing a law to a gunfight. Beginning October 1st, new legislation will double down on already strict firearm regulations by giving families and law enforcement the power to ask the courts to take guns away from people who could be a danger to themselves or others.
So this is brand new for all of us, where this is something that law enforcement across the state is preparing for.
Captain Carl Brooks spoke to WJZ Wednesday from the same parking lot where less than 1 week ago, Harford County Sheriff released information on the shooter who killed 3 people at the Rite Aid Distribution Center. Early in the investigation, her family told deputies that 26-year-old Snoshia Mosley had shown signs of mental illness in the weeks leading up to Thursday's mass murder. She'd been diagnosed with schizophrenia, but Mosley reportedly did not disclose that when she legally bought the handgun used in the attack. Legal experts say sidestepping the part of the purchase process that relies on honesty.
The shooter was the one suffering from the mental health disorder. She would be the wrong person to ask as to whether she's qualified to have that handgun.
If the soon-to-be law could have taken the weapon out of her hands and saved lives here, no one will ever know. But deputies are already training to enforce what will be on the books with the hope that it will work.
I think had the law been in place, I think what would have happened is it would have given the family an opportunity to use some avenues that currently are not available. That step was missing before. We had to wait for an action to occur. Now we can actually take some sort of steps ahead of time and hopefully prevent these things from happening.
And certain mental health professionals will also be able to red flag gun owners after October 1. Reporting in Harford County, I'm Kimberly Eaton for WJZ.